you can see, okay, this is my
Yeah,
house. You can see that.
yeah. Okay, yeah. That's what I'm asking. We should have conversations. I think this makes man a more punctual.
So earlier, we had a conversation, by audio call, but I
Yeah,
think it's the very first time, okay, when we are interacting with each other
yeah.
with the video call,
Of
yeah.
course,
So
yes.
I'm glad.
Twice we had a call on audio. Yes, and today for the first time, I think we are on the video.
Yeah,
So it's nice meeting you, Mithilesh.
me too, me too. Glad to see you on this, on
Yes,
this, platform here, yeah.
since very long now, I was trying to connect with you on video. But I was sometimes I hesitated to come on video because I'm not that expert. So
Even I'm learner.
yeah, that's
We are on the same page, okay. The
yeah,
situation you are just, facing that, okay. That's the same situation I'm just facing that. Yeah.
yeah. So previously I had one 2 to 3. I was on video call for the past 3 days. So I think I have become a habitual type. So that's why I decided to come on video with you.
Absolutely. I think, we should know each other, okay, without, seeing the face, okay. And thereafter, if we have a conversation to anyone, that would
Yeah,
be the, more, fantastic. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So I know you, and what's your name, but just because of, my viewers, okay, I just want to
Yes,
know something about yourself, briefly. So can you give a brief introduction?
yes, of course. Why not? So my name is Alka, and I belong to UP Lucknow,
Hmm.
and I have two sons. Both are married, and they both are having one daughter each. And my husband is a retired banker, and I'm a postgraduate in English literature from Kanpur University. And
Good.
if you talk about my hobbies, so I love reading books and listening to music and playing chess. So, but I don't find any partner to play with me because I think it's a rare game. Very rare people play this.
Yeah.
So, so that's all about me. And
Thank you
Mithilesh
so much.
made, yes.
Thank you
Continue.
so much for introducing yourself. And this is me, Mitlesh, and I'm talking to you from Bihar, the district Madhubani. And as far as my educational qualification is concerned, I am an arts graduate since 2019, and currently I'm teaching as English language trainer, and simultaneously, I am running a YouTube channel, and that is based on spoken English, and where I upload spoken English content. And if I
Yes.
talk about my family background, I have one brother and two sisters, and both are married. And
Okay.
so, yeah, that's it.
Okay. Good. It's good. It's good to know about you. Yes.
Yeah. So, as you said that you have, like hobby, you have interest in reading. So, may I know that what kind of book especially do you read that, and do you love to read that?
Yeah. See, I'm very fond of reading one book. It's named as Women's Era, and it's a very old magazine. I know it's a magazine in
Hmm.
English content. Yeah. So there are some stories also and crossword puzzles also and articles. So it's
Hmm.
a good book. For the past, I believe, for the past 25 years, I'm getting this book. I subscribe this book.
Hmm.
So I'm reading this book for the past 25 years. I'm saying this. So
Yeah.
it's a fortnightly magazine, and in a month I get two magazines to read.
Ma'am, when it comes to myself, I don't
Yeah.
like to read any book. So could you please guide me, okay? And could you please give me, some tips so that I can read, and I can read, more, books, because I don't, love to read the book. Because when I start reading, okay, I read, 2 and 3 minutes, okay, and after that I just feel that, okay, I'm not feeling good, okay. So just,
Yeah.
quit it. So
Yeah.
why? Can you
So
please
if you
suggest me
are,
some tips?
see, Michelle, if you are not in the habit of reading, so nobody can force you to read. It's our own choice. No? If you're in the part of reading book, then only you can read. And nobody can force you, mislead you, read this book and that book. It's your choice.
Absolutely.
So, yeah. So,
Yeah, exactly. So as you said that nobody can force me. But
Yeah.
how can we develop such kind of habits so that I can read? Because I know that I'm not fond of reading the book, but I want to read that. So how can we develop such kind of a habit? Is there any suggestion from your side?
So don't even read Hindi, English, any books you don't like to read,
I don't read any book.
and even novels.
I don't.
Okay. So what can I say?
Because you are, I think, experienced lady, and I think you have quite experience of your
Yeah,
life.
yeah. As I said, now for the past many years, I'm reading. Even novels I read. Novels about Chetan Bhagat, and he writes so well. His English is also very simple. He writes in a very simple language. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I will try to read, okay, because I just want to develop, such kind of, habit in myself. Because reading, somebody has told me that Mithilesh, reading plays such an amazing role to develop your communication skill, to develop your vocabulary. So yeah, definitely, I just want to add in my, bucket, in my, in myself, and definitely I will do something big just because of, by the help of, reading books.
Yes. Yes. So you
So how
read?
was your day?
You read newspapers? Don't you read
Yeah,
papers?
yeah, sometimes I read newspaper in yeah, like Hindi newspaper, and as well as English newspaper. I follow
Okay.
Hindi and
You
English
belong.
both.
At least you said you belong to Bihar,
Yes, I'm
right?
from yeah.
Yes. Okay. So right now, where are you? Somewhere out. You are somewhere in the field, I think. No?
No, no, I'm just standing in front of my house. You can see, okay, this is my
Yeah.
house. You can see that.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm asking. Behind you, there's some greenery all side.
Yeah, so there are many there are many trees. Yeah,
Yeah.
in front of my house. So that's why it's coming in my background.
Okay. Okay. And in Lucknow, no, it's raining today. Since last night, it's been raining here. How about
Yeah,
there?
and in my area, as in my area, like even in Bihar, okay, it's a cloudy weather today. And in the
Okay.
morning time, okay, it was drizzling, but it was
Oh,
not raining. It was
yeah.
drizzling.
Okay.
But it's okay now. It's a little bit sunny right now.
Okay. Okay.
So
Your
how's your day today?
conversation, your conversation with Shravan, I liked it. You both, that conversation was really very nice.
Yeah, thank you so much for
Yeah,
giving your
yeah.
appreciation.
Yeah, I
Because
messaged Shravan also.
Mhm.
But
Because you said
you were not seen for many hours. You were not seen on this group. Let's meet up. No, I think for a day or 24 hours, you were not present in this group.
yeah, sometimes because I rarely get the time. Yeah, and
Okay.
it is the time of the wedding. Yeah, so there are 2 and 3 wedding in my
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
near of my house. Okay, so that's why I was a little bit busy, and that's why because loudspeaker was just going on, so
Oh, oh,
it becomes so difficult to just do the session with anybody else, because we cannot get the good atmosphere. We cannot get the the good like place where we can conduct the session. Yeah, so that's why I haven't done any session.
okay, okay.
So how was your day today?
It was good, Mithilesh, as the weather is fine today. It's raining. It's been raining. Yeah.
Still it's raining, or it's stopped now?
No, it has stopped. Though it has stopped, but the weather is very fine. Yeah.
So do you like rainy season? Do you like rainy season when it rains?
That, no, no, not that much. No. It's okay, okay, so. Yeah.
So you are not a lover of rainy season.
No, not that much, Mithilesh.
Even if I talk about myself, okay, I don't like rainy season, because in rainy season, okay, we don't we are unable to go outside. Even we are unable to go to institution. My yeah, so that's why I don't like even.
We get confined to at one place only. No, we have to remain confined. That's why.
Mm.
Yes.
So ma'am, is there any question from your side? Then you can ask, okay, because I have been asking many questions for a long
No,
time.
I like to hear more than talking.
Oh, so as you know that I am an English language trainer, yeah.
Yes.
So there are many subscribers and who has subscribed my channel. They want to just know that how to learn English quickly and how to develop our communication. So I think that you can make them understand, and you can give your tips and tricks so that they can understand, and they can get some ideas from your side. So would you like to say some tips and tricks so that they can speak English fluently?
So, according to me, what I think, see, we should have conversations. I think this makes man a more punctual, and I think I must say not punctual actually. He'll be, what must I say? By reading makes a man perfect. I may say, but not only reading. We have to read, even watch sometimes news, English content. That's good. As we get to know more new vocabulary. And I think the most important part to learn to get fluency and about English is we should have conversation, at least daily, on daily basis. Conversation helps much, you know. I think that way.
So, ma'am, as I can see on your face, okay, you are, confident lady, okay, and I don't think that you have any hesitation and you have the problem, sinus, yeah. But nowadays, people have much, information, but just because of the lack of confidence, they are not able to express themselves. So, how can remove our hesitation, and how can remove our sinus? So, would you like to please tell me?
So
Because sinus is the one of the best problem.
even I was facing the same thing, even I was facing the same thing. What you're saying, even I was facing the same thing. Previously, when I didn't want to come on videos. I told you one day that I'm not comfortable on videos. So first, I wish to have audio calls, get familiar with the person, and then come on videos to speak. So that's
But I can see that there is no any shyness. It's
yeah,
coming on your face. You
yeah,
are quite confident.
yeah, because I've already done 4 to 5 sessions of video calls. So that's why.
So I think you are just talking about the person, okay, who is new, and who just started learning this language. Okay, if they come on like video call, okay, they maybe face problem. Yeah,
I didn't get you, Mithlesh. Please repeat it again.
I mean, I was saying that the person who just started learning this language, if they come and if they go for session by video call, they may face problem.
Yes, it happens with me at least. I don't know about others, but it happens with me. First video call, first in my life, a video call. We have video calls in a family, that's okay. But if we have to have a video call with some stranger, so that's why I know about me that I feel hesitant, to speak on video call with some unknown person. So my first video call was with one Mansi ma'am. She's a YouTuber, and I think she's a very high level. She is. So one day I spoke to her. My video was so bad, Mithilesh. It was really, what should I say? It was very bad. So I requested her, madam, please don't upload this video of mine. It's gone very bad today. So it was my first one. So I
Yeah.
spoke to her. When Shanta ma'am also I spoke to her. Then when I get familiar with them, na, so I get much better to have contact.
Yes.
See,
So
as I spoke to you on audio call, na, so that's why I think I'm more comfortable with you today. If I have
absolutely,
seen
I
you,
can see.
if I
I
was on
can
the
see that.
first time
Okay.
with you, yeah. So maybe
Yeah.
some hesi, yeah.
So in this morning, okay, you have told me that you have booked the session with the Yashoda ma'am. So have you done this session
No, not yes. Previously, some 2 months back.
today? You didn't talk to
No,
Yashoda ma'am.
see. Yesterday she gave me time for 2 o'clock. She was about to come at 2 o'clock. I waited for a very long. I waited, and she didn't. She didn't come. So again, she left me a message that Alka ma'am I'll come tomorrow for the video call. So again, I waited for her today, but she
I
didn't
have
appear.
I have one question for you, and I think that okay, you can answer this question, okay, because I have seen that who is popular on YouTube and popular on any social media site, okay, sometimes they cannot give you the time. If they give you the time, but they will not come on the time. So why?
Yeah, we suffer a lot. We have to sit in the same place, and again we have to check our videos. Again, we have to see the messages whether she's coming or not. So it makes me very frustrated, I become very frustrated. Yesterday
Absolutely. If
also,
you are absolutely,
yeah,
if you are not free, okay, then you can easily to say that, okay, I'm not free, okay, I cannot talk to you. But you say that, okay, yes, I'll talk to you at 2 p.m., at 3 p.m., but you,
yeah,
that time, you
yeah,
will not come. So it
yeah.
make us the kind of the
So
bad impact.
yesterday also in a hurry, I completed my work and sat for her to come, but she didn't appear. Then again, I today waited for her. For the past 2 days, I'm waiting for her. She's not coming. I'm leaving messages. I'm going on leaving a messages.
I
So
think you should not approach to the person, okay, who is ignoring your message, who does not reply you. I think you should not approach to the person. But it's your choice, ma'am. Okay, but sometimes I feel that, okay, if you try to connect to the people again and again, though you send the message, then definitely they can ignore you. So I think
yeah,
you should
when
improve
we are
yourself,
going,
okay, and definitely one day they will contact you. I should talk to Alka, ma'am.
yeah. See, one Mansi ma'am, she herself leaves a message for me. Are you free, ma'am, tomorrow? She'll always leave a message. Sometimes I'll call her. So she gives me time. But I think Yashoda ma'am is very busy. Maybe she's very busy. I don't know.